Alright, notice some of this is bent here, so what we're going to do is straighten this out because we're actually going to put a board through here. So we need these flanges here a little bit straighter, so we'll just take care of that right now. Alright, they are cleaned up. They are now ready to cut some wood, start making our tops, bases, and then what we're going to do is, instead of two shelves, we're going to make a box and make one big drawer in the middle of it here, 5.5 feet wide. So the first thing we're going to do is build some legs, cut some legs up, so we can get this thing to sit stable since the gears are touching. And then we'll work on the top, get our distance right, and then we'll determine our width of our box. So here we go. Alright, we're cutting our bottom legs to 12 inches so it'll be hidden behind the metal piece. So let's begin. Alright, since we still have this board out, we're going to mark these 19 inches, which is going to be the pieces that sit inside and hold the top down. So I think we're at 19, we've already marked it, so let's begin cutting. Up next, we're going to cut our top, which is two pieces, 12-inch 1x12s. So I've marked it at 5.5 because that's going to be the full length of our top, or the entire piece with a little overhang. And then we're going to work our way down building the box. Alright, here's a little demo of what we've already done so far. We've cut our bottom legs here so the gears are up off the ground. Those will get sanded and stained. The top here is two pieces, so what we're going to do is, using those little pieces that we cut to fit inside here, those will get glued and screwed into the top piece to create one big top. And then that keeps it from sliding back and forth either direction, so it's a nice little lock-in. So next we're going to flip these over, since these are the nice sides. We'll grab those boards out of there, we'll measure in, and we'll start screwing them into place. Alright, we have our box built. Our supervisors will do one quick examination of it for us, maybe lick it, make sure it's all good, and then we're going to start screwing this thing together. The big thing here is make sure that it's square. So we'll just work our way around, making sure everything lines up. Alright, we have our simple box. Now what we're going to do is just build a small drawer in here for it. So we're going to measure from end to end. We'll cut our piece, which will slide right in with a little sand, and then we'll build our box behind it. As you can see, it's not going to be very big, but that's what they want. We're going to make it for them. And our sides for our drawer. We had to shrink it down. The front's been cut also, but it is actually 3/4 of an inch bigger, because what we're going to do is we're going to screw all this together and create our bottom so it'll be the same height as the front of our drawer. So first we're going to screw this up, make sure it's all square, and then we're going to cut our top piece here, or our bottom for the shelf. So follow along. Alright, here's how our drawer is going to look. So we're going to put our bottom on. Our front's not secured yet. We're actually going to glue that on. But let's start with the bottom here. got a platform that we're going to work off of, and we're going to dry fit everything, so our top and our shelf, make sure everything lines up really nice. And then what we can start doing is sanding and getting this thing finalized, so follow along. Alright, so we've put it together, we've done a dry run, top, drawer. They're going to put a handle on it. They haven't selected which one yet, so we're going to leave it blank, but they obviously can get into it still. So what we'll do is we'll start sanding this, we'll send it for their final approval, and we'll see how they like it. Alright, it's all disassembled. Now what we're going to do is just clean it up, just give it a nice sand so we can get it stained, clear coated and ready for the client. We have our dark walnut stain, our dry rag, and our applying sock. I think that's the technical term for it. So, let's begin. Here it is completed, ready for our client to pick up. We're going to disassemble it, put it in here so they can put it in the back of their truck and take it home maybe at the end of this week. So what do you guys think? I like it. I've actually got 2 more seed hoppers and I'm going to make another one out of these. Came out really cool. Hopefully another family will enjoy it just as much as this couple will. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll keep doing some creative projects for you.